closest to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years. Okay? You can create the story. So, I'll ask now each table to create some story using the number line. And in the story, only comparison of numbers, how they will understand the relationship between the numbers. Okay? So I think 5 minutes, all the table should be one story, and then they will come and they will present the story. Okay? Alright?
And far away, mother duck says, quack, quack, quack. One little duckling came rounding back, so one goes back, four remains. And again it is also we will short. So the last will take.
The judo block. This table will show me 3 fingers, 3. This table will show me flaps. 4. Okay, like that. Child will see 1. How do you relate to this nature? Where you see this in nature? The door, have you connect?
Any plans for the biggest tower?
Counting of numbers and the colors. I made a flower.
I made a flower in the house.
I made a butterfly. I made a fish. I made a rocket and made go in the space. I made a cloud and a mouse.
Very glad to see the enthusiasm that I see each one of you, the active participation. I was just sharing with Father. Very happy to see that. I can really visualize the change that we are going to see in our classroom when we get back.
I am Sir Mario was teaching in Rosary High School, locally in Goa. I got an opportunity to attend a 3-day workshop organized by Father Navnirmiti and conducted by well-known resource people coming all the way from Mumbai from the association Navnirmiti. When I attended the 3-day workshop, the workshop was conducted well organized, conducted very well. All the concepts were clearly explained. We also had group activities. The teachers worked in a group and it was fun activity based. The concepts were also clear as we were doing the group activities and we had a lot of fun. I believe that when we conduct these activities in the classroom, the children too will have a lot of fun and at the same time they will learn through these fun activities, activity-based learning, the concept very well. The teaching learning material that was supplied to us were amazing, colorful. The materials were enough and every group could perform well with the help of this teaching learning material. The resource people were also fantastic. Their explanation of the concepts, the matter, the material was all perfect. Finally, I would like to conclude that such type of workshops should be conducted at least once in a year so that we primary teachers refresh and revise ourselves and give a better learning